So today we are going to discuss probabilistic method for designing of distribution feeders. So what is this probabilistic method and what is the need of this probabilistic method that we are going to discuss. The hosting capacity, it was calculated by using deterministic method. So this deterministic method, it is used for calculating the hosting capacity, which is referred to as worst case approach, because they are considering the highest consumption, and they are comparing with the lowest production, and lowest product consumption, that will be compared with highest production. For example, over voltage limit is exceeded and it is not calculated, and they are directly assuming it as 0. So the amount of distributed generation that can be connected is determined by the lowest amount of consumption and the highest amount of production. So it is better to use stochastic method. What is this stochastic method? The loading of a distribution feeder, which is obtained by multiplying, which is called as after diversity maximum demand, that is per customer with number of customers. So the after diversity maximum demand is the demand per customer, that is highest high probability will not be exceeded. So stochastic method is used to determine the demand per customer. So by using or introducing a new automatic meter reading will make it possible to obtain sufficient data to develop such type of stochastic models. So such models can be used in future design, which gives more accurate results in the sense which gives accurate result of hosting capacity. So the presence of large amount of measurement data make it possible to know actual measured voltage and power units for the calculation.